What's up you guys, it's Heidi. It's been a little while since my last unboxing video, so I figured I'd film one this week. I ordered a bag from Minkoff and it arrived around like a week ago. I still haven't opened it because I wanted to save it for this video. I'm really excited that I can finally see what it's like. So without further ado, let's get straight into the video. Got this huge box right here, and okay, I'm just gonna try to open it real quick. Mind you, I'm horrible at opening packages, so we'll see. This one's actually not too bad. Okay, so this is what it looked like when I opened it. Okay, let me get it out. Let me just put this over here for a second. Seriously, every time I finish filming a video, whole place turns into a mess. Alright, so I think this is the front, I think. Get this out. Okay, why am I all of a sudden so pale? So, okay, let me get this off. Whoa, that is a lot of packaging. Oh yeah, I came with the dust bag. Really awesome. I need as many of these as possible. So this is what it looks like. This is on the slightly pricier side because this is like a genuine leather bag, but it is really good investment because I actually love Minkoff's bag. I have one that I got last summer. Yeah, I think last summer, and it was on sale and I loved it. I used it so much, so I figured this time I'm gonna get a bigger one because I actually don't have a bag that's kind of like a medium size that is between like a really small bag like my Michael Kors one and my backpack, so desperately in need of these. And let me just try to get all these off so I can show you guys properly what it actually looks like. I don't know why, but I find opening these kind of stuff very satisfying. Okay, I think that's about it. So this is what it looks like again, but this time with no packaging at all. It is kind of like I said, a medium size bag. It is black. I actually love the leather. It's so much softer than I first imagined it, and it is pretty spacious inside. I'm totally struggling to show you guys like this. There we go. You can't really see, I'm so sorry, but like, yeah, it's huge. Well, not huge, it's like a reasonable size as a bag. And there's actually lots of different compartments, and they even have one in the back. This is a little zip. Oh, this is actually quite big. And yeah, that is pretty much the bag. I am so happy with it, honestly, but when I wear it, I'm probably going to adjust the straps so that it kind of falls around my hip. I kind of like my bags around that length, but of course you can just adjust it however you want. And yeah, this is my new bag, and I don't know about you guys, but I love the smell of leather. I just love it. It smells so nice and kind of refreshing. But yeah, this is the bag that I ordered. And that's pretty much it for this video. I'm sorry if it is not more interesting, but I'm honestly kind of confused on what I should do with unboxing videos, because personally I love watching unboxing video, and my favorite part is when they review the bag and, you know, tear up the packaging. Yeah, like I said, I find that very satisfying. But yeah, I just want to show you guys the bag, and I haven't used it yet, so I can't really review it or, you know, just tell you my thoughts in it. I can just tell you my first impression of the bag, and that's what I did. I hope you guys enjoy this video either way, and if you guys want me to do an update maybe after like a month that I've been using it, I can tell you how I like it or if it's worth the money and stuff. Like I said, this bag is kind of an investment for me. I don't have anything this size, and you know, I got a really good feeling about it. I don't know what I'm doing with my hands in this video. I've been really busy. The semester is ending, which means exams, essays, and all those kind of stuff. Everything is crammed into this 3 weeks, so wish me luck. But other than that, there will still be a new video every Saturday, so make sure you stay tuned for that. And if you guys are still in school and like me, you're going through your finals, best of luck to all of you guys. Until next week, God bless you guys, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.